Here are 5 myths about happiness. No. 1. We should be happy all the time. But happiness is not a constant state. It's okay to be sad, frustrated, or angry sometimes. What matters is how you deal with these emotions. Number 2. Money can buy happiness. Well, having financial security is important, but studies show that it doesn't buy long-term happiness. What really matters is how you spend your money and time. No. 3. Achieving professional success will make you happy. But the truth is that happiness is more about purpose than position. Find meaning in your work and you'll be more fulfilled. No. 4. Happiness depends on external conditions, like your relationship status, job, or home. But the truth is that external factors have a smaller impact on our happiness than internal ones. Cultivate gratitude for what you have. No. 5. Happiness is something we will achieve in the future. But the truth is that happiness is a present moment. It's here right now. If you want more tips on how to live a happier life, subscribe to the channel.